Hi, this is Brent DeMartini here at DeMartini RV, and today we have the new 2021 Forest River Forester MBS 2401B on the Mercedes chassis. This is their new chassis with a lot of new features, and we're going to take a look. Here's the inside of the new 2401B floor plan for the Forester MBS. So up front here we have a U-shaped dinette with plenty of seating. And another advantage of this is that you also get a lot of storage. So you have pull-out drawers here, and you have overhead cabinets up here. And this makes into quite a big bed as well. Charging station over there. Over here in your kitchen, you have kind of European style doors with a lot of storage up top and an extra shelf up there. And you also have this big storage under the sink and some drawers here. A lot of storage here. There's a convection microwave down low so that you don't have to reach up high to get into it. And this year they've switched over to a new refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator, so it just works off of compression, and it will work all the time directly off of your batteries. One of the advantages of this refrigerator is that it cools down a lot faster. It can cool down to operating temperature within 1 hour. And there's your fridge lock for going down the road. And we've got a queen bed with a walk-around space here. We've got a pantry. And one of the best features about this new floor plan is that they've saved enough space in the back here to where we can actually have a full wardrobe. So we've got a lot of hanging space in there. More hanging space there. A big storage there, and then you've got these large pull-out drawers as well. In this floor plan, we have a huge bathroom in the back. Large shower, vanity with hidden medicine cabinet. Here is the new chassis that this Forester MBS comes on. So now all future models are going to come with all of these features. It's important to know that not every competitor is going to have all of the features available for this Mercedes chassis. But this is one of the higher tier options for the Mercedes chassis. So this Forester comes with this big MBUX infotainment center, which has your navigation and all of these apps. That makes it really nice to where you can see what you're doing here. You get your Sirius radio on there. This will have the heated power seats, and it will have the adaptive cruise control, the lane assist, and the new 7-speed transmission. So it's a very nice chassis that will slow you down with the traffic. It will slow you down if you're about to get in a collision, and it will actually slow you down if you're drifting out of the lane. So a lot of nice safety features here. New airbags in the A-pillars here, and also in your seat. And lots of cup holders. It's a keyless start now. In the Forester, they put your camera up top here so that you can see your traffic behind you very easily in a place that you're used to seeing it. Then if you put your turn signal on, you can see both sides of the vehicle. This floor plan comes available with a 100-watt solar option. It comes available with a option for 4-point hydraulic leveling jacks, and this is the new updated cabinetry. This one here is the black diamond walnut, and it has kind of like a European look here with the two-tone up top. You get Corian countertops in the Forester MBS, and a really nice new look. Okay, here we are on the exterior of the new Forester MBS 2401B. So you can see this has a new kind of rounded front, and that's part of the new chassis. So it's a good indicator, a good way to tell if this is the new chassis with all of those features, is that it's kind of more bubbly on the outside than the year before. We have our awning, which has speakers in the awning and also has an LED strip light going down the awning. This awning also features some easy adjust arms to control the pitch of the awning. All you have to do is just pull down on one side or both, and you can adjust the pitch that easy. All right, and you do have quite a bit of exterior storage. Here on the patio side, you have this great big compartment where you can fit your barbecue and all your chairs and stuff. And then this is a Dometic two-way water heater, so you can use it on propane or electric. It's a tanked 6-gallon. Here's the exterior TV. Over here we have all of our hookups for electrical, cable, city water. You have your black tank flush, an exterior shower, and a sewer hose storage. There's your sewer valves. And we have some more storage out here with a light in that compartment. There's your 3600 watt generator. It's a propane gen. Another little storage compartment there. And then we've got a big storage right here. All right, you guys, so that's it for the new 2021 Forester MBS 2401B. This unit is very hard to get. They're limited on chassis availability, but we've just put in a ton of orders and we can probably get you one very fast. So we're taking pre-orders right now for just a small deposit. If you want to see what our price is on those, then just give me a call at 1-800-576-1921 or email me at brent@demartini.com. Thanks for watching.